Now that the model setup and configuration has been completed, it's now time to run the model. To run the model, simply go up to the navigation bar at the top and click the Run button. Your execution run can have a custom name, a random seed will be generated for the run, and here you can enter the start and end date for your model simulation. So, upon clicking the Run button, the system will go through three statuses. First is scheduled. After the run has been scheduled, it will then enter the running stage. The message bar at the bottom will turn green and the status will read completed once the run is completed. When the reporting interface has loaded, you may have to refresh the results. To do that, click this refresh button towards the left-hand top corner. Now you can view your results through this fully customizable reporting interface.